This Signature Series vertical offset charcoal smoker and grill from Dyna-Glo provides durability, performance, and versatility with up to 1,382 total square inches of cooking space. The heavy-gauge steel smoking chamber comes with pre-installed chrome-plated sausage hooks and 5 chrome-plated steel cooking grates to accommodate a variety of food types and sizes. The professional-grade temperature gauge features a smoke zone, which indicates the ideal temperatures for infusing the perfect amount of smoke flavor, while the Cool Touch handles allow you to safely access food or fuel during the cooking process. The offset firebox also doubles as a grill and features porcelain-coated steel cooking grates for searing and locking in natural juices. A side tray slides out to provide easy access to fuel while minimizing heat loss and can be removed for hassle-free cleanup. Enjoy taking your outdoor cooking skills to the next level with this Signature Series offset charcoal smoker and grill from Dyna-Glo.
Ready to take your taste buds to the next level? Introducing the 700E series from Z-Grills.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling.
The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z-Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event.
Buy one today and unleash your inner grill master.
If you're looking to produce competition quality barbecue in your own backyard, then look no further than the 700FB by Pit Boss. The 700FB is the most versatile cooking appliance ever built. With the standard flame broiler, you can saute, stir fry, cook breakfast, flame broil dinner in just a few minutes, sear and broil steaks, just like your favorite steakhouse. Convection bake anything that you would normally bake in your oven. A pellet grill is hands down the best wood-fired pizza oven available. Smoke your holiday turkey. Of course, the Pit Boss is the perfect appliance to help you produce competition quality barbecue. Operating the Pit Boss is easy. Simply load the pellet hopper with your favorite hardwood pellets, turn the dial to your desired cooking temperature. Within 10 minutes, the grill automatically lights the pellets and adjusts itself to your desired cooking temperature between 180 to 500 degrees. The grill will maintain that temperature all day. It's that easy. When shopping for your pellet grill, know that all of the following features come standard on the 700FB and are not costly upgrades. Heavy-duty feed system, pellet cleanout, adjustable upper cooking rack, dome thermometer, digital control with wide range of cooking temperatures, convenient grease bucket, bottom shelf for added stability, steel wheel, grease dome to direct the grease to the bucket, and of course the innovative flame broiler that allows you to flame broil burgers and steaks. Smoke, bake, braise, sear, flame broil, saute, grill, and barbecue. Don't be misled by higher-priced competitors. Pit Boss, where quality and economy come together.
Hi, I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt, here to show you how to smoke some dadgum good barbecue using the 30-inch digital electric smokehouse. Now today, I'm smoking a 4.5 to 5 pound pork bone-in Boston butt. What you want to do is take your favorite dry rub, completely coat all sides of the Boston butt, place it in a plastic bag, add 1 cup of mustard, put it in the refrigerator overnight to marinate all of those dry seasonings and that mustard into the pork roast. Now I've got our Boston butt on the bottom rack. That's important because anytime you add new raw food to a smoker, always place it below the other food so that it doesn't drip down onto what you already have prepared. Now this Boston butt has been on the smoker for 5 hours, 1 hour per pound at 225 degrees, and we've added smoked wood chips about every hour for that smoke-infused flavor. If you like sliced pork, this one is ready to go. Today I'm doing a pulled pork slider, so I want to wrap that Boston butt, put it back on the smoker, and continue the cooking process for about another couple of 3 hours until the internal temperature goes from 165 to 195 to get those pulled pork results. Now it's time to check out our results. Again, we have wrapped this Boston butt in aluminum foil, which allows the internal temperature to rise to 195, giving us those pulled results without drying out your barbecue. And this, you're gonna see, is why this recipe is so amazing. When you know your Boston butt is ready, when you can pull that bone out, okay, look how tender, look how juicy. That is why that is dadgum good pulled pork. As you can see, Masterbuilt has made smoking simple. If you want more information and some great recipes, check us out at masterbuilt.com.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.